Now when people have started overusing the land, the problems which have cropped up are landslides, degradation of the land, soil erosion and desertification. That is, we so many times now hear that a particular land is turning into a desert because the people have used that land's water in an unlimited manner. So we need to keep a check on the usage of land and whatever is the availability there on the land. So if we have to prevent such degradations, we have to take up certain measures like afforestation. That is, we have to start planting more and more trees. We have to start with land reclamation projects. That is, the lands which are lying waste have to be turned into healthy projects. Now, land reclamation project, the best example that you can give is at Bombay, where they have picked up the Marine Drive. The use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides have to be minimized because they are very harmful and much responsible for the degradation of the land. The overgrazing of the cattle also has to be prevented. So the measures of using the land by which they are rather overusing the land have led to problems, and these problems can be sorted out by these measures. That was all about land. Now let's move to the next one, that is the soil. Soil, what is soil? The first question that comes to our mind is, what is soil? The thin layer, that is of the grainy substance which covers the surface of the land, is called as soil. The soil is determined by the landform which is available in that particular area. For example, a hilly land will have a different kind of soil, the plains will have a different soil. So the landform determines the nature of the soil. Soil is made up of organic matters, minerals and the weathered rocks. That is, three things combined together to make up soil, and those are organic matter, minerals and the weathered rocks. But now we have to understand that this process together is called as weathering. Now there is another question, and that is, some of the soils seem fertile while others do not look so. So what makes the soil fertile? The very precise definition is that the correct mixture of organic matters and minerals make up a fertile soil.